Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I'm going to explain how to install X2CRM application on Ubuntu 18.04. First of all, X2CRM is a free and open source customer relationship management application. It allows the user to create websites like marketing, sales and customer service for CRM application. The installation of X2CRM is explained in this manual. The X2CRM application consists of activity management, contact management, reporting, deal tracking, product management and etc. The X2CRM application requires web server 2 functionally based on LAMP setup on your system and requires some of the PHP modules. I have already installed and configured LAMP setup on my system, so I have to proceed the installation of X2CRM application on my system. Now I am going to download a X2CRM application package using this following URL. Then hit enter. The package is downloading now. The downloading is completed now. Now we have to list out the files, and then here we can see the downloaded package. The downloaded package is a zip file, so we need to unzip the package using this following command. Then hit enter. The unzipping is completed now. Now we have to list out the files, and then here we can see the X2CRM application directory. Now we have to move this directory into the following path, and then here I have to mention a destination. Then we have to change into the following directory, and then here we have to list out the files, and then here we can see the X2CRM application directory. Now we have to change ownership and permission of the X2CRM application directory using these following commands. Now we have to create a new virtual host configuration to accessing a X2CRM application. And then here I have to create a new file. Then hit enter. The file is open now, and then here we can proceed the virtual host configuration. After making the virtual host configuration, we have to save and exit from this file. Now we have to enable the site accessing for new creation of virtual host configuration. Then we have to disable the default site access. Now we have to enable the rewrite module. Then we have to restart the Apache service. Now we have to open a browser. The browser is open now, and then here we have to give the following URL, and then here we have to mention a local IP address or a domain name, so I have to give my domain name. Then hit enter. The site is open now, and then here we can see the application information, and then here we have to choose the time zone, and then here we have to configure the admin user credential, and then here we have to choose the modules, and then here we have to configure the database detail. I have already created the database and database username and give the privileges to access the X2CRM application database, so I have to give my detail. Then we have to test connection. The connection is established now, and then here we can see the site URL, and then here you have to choose schedule jobs. I have to choose cron, and then here we have to configure the improve information, so I have to give my detail. After configuring the detail, we have to click install. The X2CRM is installing now. The installation is completed now, and then here we have to click to login. Now we are in a login page of X2CRM application, and then here we have to log in with the help of using admin user credential. Then we have to click sign in. The site is open now. Now we are in the administration control panel of X2CRM application, and then here we can see the major configuration modules to making a X2CRM application, and then here we can see the admin user profile. And then if you want to know the what is the version we have been installed X2CRM application on the system, please click here, and then here we have to choose about, and then here we can see the what is the version we have been installed X2CRM application on the system. These are all the installation process about how to install X2CRM application on Ubuntu 18.04. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel linuxhelp. If you want further more videos, please visit www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, please mail to support@linuxhelp.com.